I'm in San Francisco this week, attending Mobile World Congress, where I'm looking at how top brands are using RCS business messaging.
So my name is Rob Malcolm. I'm the VP of Marketing for CLX. We're here in San Francisco at Mobile World Congress Americas 2017, and we're very excited to show our RCS demo. So as everyone knows, sending text messages is something that's been going on for 15 years and is extremely popular with enterprises. But the key difference is that RCS promises to have a much richer experience and allows enterprises to have an app-like experience in the messaging channel. So we've got a little demo over here demonstrating various use cases. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of an optician who wants to send you an appointment reminder, and we'll just show you what it looks like on an RCS phone. So you can see there that one of the first things you'll notice about RCS is that the brand can not only use their actual name of their company instead of a number, but they can also put a logo, they can also make it multi-part, and they can have a rich interactive experience by using these cards at the bottom here. So for example, if you wanted to reschedule a message or just reschedule an appointment, it's much more interactive, much more app-like, and because it's built into the Android Messenger app, it's also very much integrated into some of the tools like adding to calendar, for example, in Android. You can also look at a map, for example, get directions, and all of that can be embedded in the message. So from a consumer standpoint, it's much easier to use than SMS. Obviously penetration for RCS is still pretty low, and so therefore having SMS fallback is a really important part of the solution, or MMS fallback if MMS exists. But CLX is obviously right up front in terms of trying to get this to market, and if you want to contact us and find out more information, you can do so through our website.